I want to outline the uniform test 2 on 2017-18. Okay, question 13. We see that E is the midpoint. Okay, E is the midpoint. Okay. And B is also the midpoint. Okay, B is also the midpoint. You're going to ask to show that these two lines are parallel. It is very simple that it is the midpoint theorem. And then you want to show that these two triangles are congruent. ABE, this one, the yellow one, and the blue one are congruent. You see that there's already one line, okay, one, which is equal, and then the second is the right angle, and where's the third one? Because it is parallel, the third one is this angle, corresponding angles, BE parallel GD. Okay, so the reason is ASA. Okay, you see that 90 degrees, the length equal, angle equal, corresponding angles equal, ASA. Okay, you cannot replace by others if you provide these three conditions. Some students work a few more steps and then they can use other reasons. Okay, and then you're going to show that BF equals to FC, BF, okay, I use the red one, BF, okay, use the FC, okay, you don't know, but you see that you have proved that these two triangles are equal, congruent, so this side and this side is already equal. And then the longer side, this AD, and BC, this BC are equal in length. Okay, these are two, this one, and you know that this is already this one. Okay, so the remaining must be one side. Okay, but some students did not write it very clear, so 1 mark will be deducted. Okay, and finally, to prove that whether it is a parallelogram, okay, I BFDE, you know that it is already parallel because it is a rectangle, and then you prove that this is 1 mark and 1 mark. Okay, so opposite sides equal and parallel. Okay, and we go to another question. This question first asks you to prove these two are congruent. Okay, you see that, look at the words, this is a rectangle, this is a rectangle, ABCD is a rectangle, and then BFDE is a rhombus. Okay, so you see that. Okay, and now you're going to show that these two triangles are congruent. This one and this one are congruent. Okay, you see that there's one, oh sorry, I use this one, this is point 1 equal, and 2 is common, and the third one and the third one, what's the third one? Okay, how to find out the third one? 1, 2, is it the right angle? Yes, this is the right angle, third one. But how about this one? This one is also right angle. Why? Because it is rhombus. Property of rhombus. This is property of rectangle. Okay, so you have to show that property rhombus and rectangle common and decide. You see that this cannot be ASS. Okay, no, this reason. What is this? Is R, sorry, RHS, okay? And now, what you're going to do next is you clean this part, okay? Clear to make it clear, okay? You know that these two ABE, you're going to find out this one, but you know that these two are equal because corresponding angles. And then you see that this one, the blue one, is a rhombus. These two should be equal, okay? Property of rhombus again. So all three angles are equal. So this is 30 degrees because why it is 90 degrees? Because it is rectangle, okay? And the last one, many students did not get full marks with name. Just write down. That is, just write down. No need to prove. No need to prove, okay? But many students, for example, you see that ABE, for example, this ABE is congruent to GBE, okay? You cannot write this angle as EGB, okay? Because this A must pair with G because both are right angle, okay? And also this B and this B are equal, B and B are equal, and E are the same point, okay? So I write most of them. You must be in this order. Order is important. That is, you cannot write triangle DFC. This is wrong because it is not congruent to triangle ABE, okay?